Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Nintendo Switch error code 2110-4150. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that some of the visuals in the video are generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes while playing Splatoon 3. Many players reported that every 10 to 15 minutes, this error keeps appearing during gameplay. According to our research, this error is likely related to internet connectivity, outdated game or firmware, server issues, or temporary problems from Nintendo's side. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close your Nintendo Switch along with your internet connection. Simply shut them down completely, then wait for a few minutes, then restart both and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you have a pending update for the game or your Nintendo Switch firmware. If updates are available, install them and then check for the error again. If the error persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot. Then see if the error still comes. If the error continues, go to nintendo.co.jp/net-info/n_us/index.html and check if Nintendo servers are down or facing any issues. If the servers are down, wait until they are back online and then try again. At last, if the error persists for too long, we suggest you reach out to Nintendo support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.